Welcome to all of you. In this video, we are going to know about the question answers of the poem Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening from the book The English Connection 6th Standard. So, there are three sections in this poem of the questions: A section, B, and C. So, in A section, there are reference lines, and the three questions are there which are based on these reference lines. So, first question is lines are: My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. First question: Where has the speaker stopped? Why? Answer is: The speaker has stopped near the woods because he wanted to watch the snow filling up the woods. Spelling is wrong. Filling up the woods. Next question: What emotion is conveyed in the last two lines of this stanza? Answer: The emotions of horse is conveyed in these lines. In these last two lines, that horse considers it strange to stop between the woods and the frozen lake because there is no farmhouse nearby. C question: Who reminds the speaker to move on? Answer: The horse reminds the speaker to move on. Now, second question, second reference line is: He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. Where is the speaker at the time? Answer: The speaker is between the woods and frozen lake at this time. Next question: Why does the horse give his harness bells a shake? Answer: The speaker's horse give his harness bells a shake because it wants to ask the speaker if he has made a mistake in stopping by the woods. Next, C question: What does the speaker feel the horse is trying to convey? Answer: The speaker feels that the horse is trying to convey his mistake. His mistake is standing by the woods. Now, B section. So in this section there are uh, 8 questions. There are 8 questions in B section. First question is: Where is the poem set? Answer: The poem is set to the natural beauty of the woods. Next question, second question: Where is the speaker going? Why is the speaker drawn to the woods? Answer: The speaker is going to a farmhouse. The speaker drawn to the woods because were very lovely, dark and deep. Question number 3: Who is the owner of the woods? Does the speaker know him? Quote a line to show the man may not like the speaker's standing there. Answer: The owner of the woods is a man or God who lives in the village. Yes, the speaker knows him because his God's house, which is church, is in the village. Now, question 4: Why has the speaker stopped near the woods? Who feels there is something strange about his stopping? Why? Answer: The speaker has stopped near the woods because he wanted to watch the snow filling up the woods. His horse feels that there is something strange about his stopping because there was no farmhouse nearby. Fifth question: Why does this poet decide to move on? Answer: The speaker decides to move on because he has to perform his duties and responsibilities of the world before his death, which is or sleep. Sixth question: What is the poet's tone in the last two lines? Justify your answer. A. Happy, regretful, filled with pleasure. Answer: The poet's tone in the last two lines are regretful because he cannot enjoy the natural scenery in the woods because he is reminded of his responsibilities which he must fulfill and move on in his life. Seventh question: What is the mood of the poem? Answer: The mood of the poem is thoughtful. The horse rider has simply stopped his horse in the woods to watch the snow and think. Question number 8: What is the message conveyed by the poet in the poem? Answer: The main message given by this poem is that we should not get tempted to any enjoyable things we see around us. So this is all about the question answers of this poem. I hope it will be helpful for you for your revision. Thanks a lot for watching this video. God bless us all. If this video is liked by you, please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thanks a lot once again. God bless us all.